Hey guys, Big Joe back in with another video, and today is part 2 of the WL Toys build. Now, it's been a few weeks since the last video, and we've tried a few things, we've looked a few things up on the internet, but today, we're finally getting that car running. And that is the monstrosity that we have created. Well, that Seamus created. Anyway, let me give you the rundown. We figured out that the meshing was actually not the problem, like we said in the last episode. What the problem was the casing itself. So, Seamus and I, we just outright got rid of that thing. And since I lost my ESC because I burned it out, Seamus decided to cut off this part and just put in the Traxxas normal XL5. So as you can see, everything still fits on with the body. Let's go take it outside for a quick test drive. So that was just something quick right then and there in the darkness. But tomorrow we're going to take it to the track and give it a full test drive. Here we are at the track. We got the buggy. It's going. It still hopefully works. I haven't really tested it out. But we're going to be running it on 2S, and let's go take it for a quick drive. Oh, do I have it limited?
This thing does not feel good to run with it.
Yes, I think you're running around.
Oh, yeah.
Ross Chastain.
Fuck! That is crazy!
I think mine has a little bit more power than yours does.
No, mine has just a
So here's what we're dealing with right now. The battery keeps popping out, but I can just fix it, probably with zip ties or Velcro, something like that. Other than that, it does work perfectly fine. Let's go put on some fresh new tires, and let's go fix this battery situation. New tires are on. I put some Velcro on, so hopefully the battery will stay in. Let's go drive it.
Get him. Get him.
Okay, not too bad. All that came off was this little steering trim piece right here, but that was a quick fix. Just popped it right back on, and now we're back to work. Yeah, I really got nothing much more to say about this car. I very much hated the rebuilds, but it works. It's perfectly fine now. I might upgrade it in the future. Probably not. I'm happy with where it's at right now. If you have any questions about anything, put them down in the comments down below. Either I or Seamus will go get back to you on that. But for now, I'll leave the link to this car as its base model in the description down below. Go have a good one. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.